guys, it's Ashley. So for today's video, I'm going to do a closet makeover. Anyway, so I have to divide this video into parts because you guys might feel overwhelmed. Well, I'm the one who's overwhelmed right now. So I want to preface this by giving you an overall view of the room prior to me moving here. So I got a 2-bedroom loft, and initially I wanted to turn the master's bedroom into a walk-in closet and studio because I needed a bigger room for that rather than just utilizing it as my bedroom where I actually sleep. And for 2 years of living here, this was the situation. And for transparency, trust me when I say I tried to work on this closet makeover video multiple times already. This was actually taken exactly a year ago, and this was the closet stitch for 2 years, and I haven't made an actual progress yet because of 2 things. One, the closet and studio space plan didn't work at all. I thought that the backdrop you guys see in here would be functional, but no, I didn't end up using it quite often. And number 2, my attention span is just way too short. I was too distracted.
Ooh, that's that one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Put your lips like this. She's and me moving at the speed of light. No matter what I do, all I think about is she was out riding. No one else can feel it for you. Only
This is the reason why it takes me 365 business days to finish this closet makeover. But for today, that has to change. Let's continue and make some progress. For the first part is all about decluttering, which is the most tedious part. Okay, so now we're on to the first part of this closet makeover, and I'm going to separate all of my clothes into categories, which are the sell, donate, and keep piles. And ito yung pinaka-effort when decluttering, but I must say that this has to be done like right now. So without further ado, let's just get started because there's a lot. Like really, a lot. Guys, I didn't know this would be a workout. This is so heavy. Yeah, okay, so let's start with my pink clothing first. Okay, so this is something that I thrifted for 10 pesos maybe 4 years ago. And honestly, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa siya ever nagamit. But I don't know why. I think I wanna keep it for future purposes. Feeling ko talaga magagamit ko siya. This one's a cute set, pero meron kasi akong bagong pink na cardigan din. So I think I'm just gonna sell this one. I don't want my clothes to duplicate anymore. Like, ayoko na ng extra na cardigan or anything. If I have it already, I'm going to let go of the extra. Kailangan talaga minsan pinipep-talk ko yung sarili ko eh. Ashley, you don't need it. Ashley, you don't need it. Ashley, you don't need it. Ganon. This one, I am going to keep. I am going to donate Barbie top with some Barbie buttons in it. I'm going to keep this. Keep. Ano ba yan? Puro keep naman. I have to have no mercy to myself. Do I really need these? Yes, I do. This one, I'm going to keep. Favorite pink dress ever. I am going to keep it. Sell. And honestly, puro yung mga kinikip ko, mga thrifted items because I do think they're rare and it's kind of hard to find them again. At this point, feeling ko ginugulo ko lang yung closet ko. I didn't even use this at all, so I'm gonna sell it. Except for my blue items. It even has tags on it. Going to sell them already. Sell, donate, sell. Sobrang sentimental kong tao. Like, hirap na hirap ako mag-let go. Kasi bawat clothing item, parang feeling ko may memories to. This is so hard. Letting go is so hard. And it doesn't have to be that deep, but I'm sorry guys. Going to donate this. This is so cute! Okay, I'm going to sell this one, but I'm going to donate it. As much as I love this top, it doesn't fit me, so I'm going to let go of it. It's shopping time! Anyway, speaking of shopping, you guys can shop my pre-loved brand new thrifted clothes, bags, shoes, and more at Shop Ashley Garcia on Instagram. I'll be selling some of my stuff there. So I have a couple of things that I want to check out. And first, okay, please don't mind by missing nail. So first is IKEA. I wanted to check if some things are available, and then I figured that you can actually build an IKEA closet, you know, just simulate the whole thing. through their website, and I thought that was genius. Okay, so I measured my closet space, and sakto, kasha yung 5 na frames ng IKEA Pax Closet. And as you guys can see, there are like suggested interior layouts already for you. Oh, and I also want boot shaper. I have a lot of boots, and they kind of look disorganized, or I kind of want to spoil them. I'm speaking as if they're real babies or whatever. For everything to be like uniform and neat, these are my hangers right now. Just need to add more, so I'm gonna pick the beige one. And I'm also thinking of getting an accent chair. Alam niyo yung that chair sa mga closet where you put all of your unused but clean pero hindi naka-fold na clothes. Yup, I need that chair. So yeah, I'll update you guys when everything arrives.
Malaki yung sa taas.
Ta-ta-da-da-da-da! Wait, I'm actually gonna cry. No, I'm not gonna cry. Calm down, calm down. We finally got our dream closet! I'm still in disbelief because this is such a dream come true. Like, I'm not being at all, but please let me have this moment because it's so big! It's huge! It's even bigger than me. And it's so pretty. Like, every YouTuber from the US that I know and looked up to, they have this closet. I can't believe I have it already. Oh my gosh. And I'm just so happy because what in the Princess Diaries moment is this? I can't even turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it off. Turn it on. Even dim it. Wait, I have to dim it. Ooh, fancy. Anyway, parang ako nag-present dito. So, class, so for today, I will teach you how. And honestly, investing. Oh! Don't tell me I just broke the remote with like 5 seconds of owning it. And honestly, I think investing on an IKEA Pax is so worth it. It's one of the best things I've splurged on in my entire life. Like, I could already tell from now. So now I'm just gonna organize it, arrange all my clothes by color. I think that system works best for me. A freaking actual workout. No joke. Ang bigat. Yay! I'm finally done. The sunset looks so beautiful right now. Finally done. And look at this sunset though. It's so pretty. I can't believe I live here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Breathtaking. So it's a new day already, and I hung up all the clothes successfully. I also did some progress here sa drawers. I'm gonna show you in a bit. I actually have a vanity over here. This is where I do my makeup, and this is also the desk that I'm using to edit and work. So I'm gonna do a separate video where I will be organizing my vanity. It's like a whole vanity makeover as well before I release a closet tour. I'm going to show you the progress here sa drawers. Basically color-coded everything again. This one is like the gray drawer, and then the green drawer, the blue one, light blue specifically, because this one is the navy blue. Again, this is not yet final, but basically this is what I did. Here, on the other side, a combination of black and white. Also my pastel purple, yellow, nude, browns. Again, this is not yet final, but I think I made a huge progress already. Other drawers, guys, medyo iba-iba na yung color niyan. I also put all of my pampahe clothes there and also my underwear. Okay, so for this shelf, I want to display all of my favorite bags, shades, shoes, belts. So I am going to like showcase them over here. And I bought some stuff from Shopee and Lazada that I think will help me showcase my favorite stuff in an organized manner. So I have in here some bag stands, and I actually think it's super worth it because nag-repurchase pa ako ng 3 more. And ang ganda ng quality na to, guys. And I also got a stand for all of my sunglasses. I bought 3 more of these. And ito yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga store. Actually, that's what I want to feel when I enter this closet. It must feel like I am shopping. I want to give myself that experience. So I got these. And you guys know me, I have this little collection of boots. So I got this. Parang ano kasi, diba? When you display the boots, sometimes it looks kind of wonky kasi parang gumaganon sila. So I got this boot support. They're also available in different sizes. And then this one just came in the mail a while ago. I was so excited, inopen ko na. I got some Ziplocs and I'll be using this later on. I'm so excited to show you guys what I'll use this for. Surprise! Anyway, so I'm currently contemplating if I should combine my black sunglasses and my silver sunglasses in one stand. But right now, I am leaning on making it monochromatic. I have a thing for collecting vintage sunglasses like this Chanel one, Dior thingy over here. Bella Hadid has one of these, pero hindi ko naman siya naging kamukha nung binili ko to. So, paano na? So, a decision has been made. I'm gonna make everything monochromatic, so all black. Pag ako nahulog dito sa ladder, my gosh. It looks so good, look! Currently done with shelf number 2. Okay, so my boots look like this without this thingy-majiggy. So we're gonna put it now. From looking like this to this. This to this. Diba? And now it's finally time to organize this drawer over here. And I don't know why my initial thought upon like receiving the whole closet was to just like put everything inside, because I literally just shove everything in here. All of my bikinis, they're so unorganized. And we're gonna do something about that today using some Ziplocs. And first impression ko dito sa Ziploc, parang masyado siyang malaki, pero na-realize ko na sakto lang pala to. Kasi may mga swimsuit ako na super kapal. Like for example, this one piece siya. And also yung mga rush guard ko with shorts, yung mga sets. So I feel like this is the perfect size already if you want to do the same thing. This is my Juicy Couture swimsuit. So cute. Pack it like it's a lunch. Ta-da! Next is this black bow swimsuit. Black bow bikini again with some bows. Set from black bow again. Ta-da! It's now all organized. So I think I'll wrap up the video here first. I'm gonna show you how I organize all of my jewelries and also my vanity. I'll be doing a vanity makeover on the next video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!